Alright guys, welcome back to another episode of General STUFIDO. This is general stuff I do. Okay, so we did end up painting this in another video. You can check that out as well on the channel. Now we're going to set tile. And in this particular garage is now closed in. It will probably have a slope going down, but somebody put that baseboard on a long time ago and went with the slope, I'm sure. But you really can't feel it, because usually the fall rate is usually 1/8 inch to 1/4 inch, depending on the contractor putting it in. So here's how you get started doing tile. And because this is kind of a, I think it's going to be a rec room. But anyway, what we do is we space it up against the baseboard, because that's what they want. And we're going to put grout up against the baseboard. Now, a lot of people will cut the caulking, lift the baseboard up. That's another method. And then, of course, you got to reinstall the baseboard over the tile. Another method is you caulk up to it, or excuse me, you put the tile up against it, and then you can put in quarter round or shoe molding. But anyway, this is what we have been requested to do. So you take your tile, you space it, put a straight line, put another one for like a crow's foot. You come over here and you do another one. And we're going to check this room real quick to see how square it is. Because a lot of times you start off real nice and straight, but the room's all crooked. And then you got to start trimming tiles. So the reason why we go 1/4 inch away from this is because that leaves us some room in case the baseboard's uneven. And a lot of times it is. So we got to go and chalk a line. Let's move those tiles. Here you go. Set this tile aside. Alright, give me some slack. I need about 1 foot. There we go. Alright, and go ahead and pop that. Alright, so now we got a nice line there. And so what we're going to do over here, we're going to check the square. Right? Still that back up against there and get a line. That's our space. Okay. And then you get your pencil. And you're going to strike a line right across here. Alright. And we're going to check this room for square. So what you do is you use the 3, 4, 5 method. That's a 5 right there. Alright. Or it's 6, 8, and 10. Okay, so in this one, because it's a small room, I'm going to use 6, 8, 10. So you hold me on the line, please. So you have your guy holding a line, you cross it right there, 6 foot. Then you go over here, put it on the red line, put it on that side of the pencil, right there. Okay, and then, so we're 6, then we go to 8, and you drag that right at the 8, right across here. Check that again, make sure we're good. Okay, right there. Then, you go over there and cross that one. Let's go on the outside. No, go to this side of the tape. There you go. And then you scribe another one. 10. Oh, oops. Right there. Okay. So that's where we're going to be for square. Okay. Let's chalk a line there and see what it looks like. All right. How square is the room? Okay. Alright, right there. Alright, so then we go over here, measure this. This is 12, and it looks like 12 and 7/16, kind of in between, 12 and 7/16. You come over here, and this is 11. Ooh, look at that. Yeah, 11 and 11/16. Okay, 11 and 11/16. Now this is why you got to always check your rooms. 11 and 11/16. So as we come down, what's going to happen is we're going to start trimming those tiles. We don't want to do that. So that one over there was 12 and 7/16, and that's the difference we're going to have right there. So now what you got to do is check wall to wall and wall to wall to see if those are moving. Moving walls. Okay, right. Okay, yeah. But that. There we go. Okay. So this is 145. We'll call it 7/8. Go over here. Right there. Yeah. 145 and 7/8. This is 146. That's not bad. So, what's out of square? Okay, so because these are pretty parallel, we're going to have to fudge it on this back wall. This back wall might be off. So, we got to make up for that. Okay, now, what did I have on there? That looks like about more than half. That is what? What is that? Half, 5/8, 11/16. 11/16, so let's go with the eighths. We'll round it off to 5/8. 5/8. Wow. Okay. Now, I want to check these front walls here and the back walls. So find an open space. Get me over there. You got to move that pan. There we go. Come back a little bit so I can get a baseboard. Down at the very bottom. There you go. All right. 229 and 3/8. All right, so you write down 229 and 3/8, so I don't forget. All right, now go ahead and yeah, just squeeze it back inside there. There you go, a couple inches out. That's good. Yeah, you never want to measure too close to the inside because it's usually off because of the drywall bud. All right, 229 and a half. 229 and 1/2. Okay. 3/8. That's an eighth. That's not bad. Not bad at all. So, what they did when they built this, they measured off of that, measured off of that. Yeah, I see what they did. Okay, so, and I don't want to trim all that over there. Man, let me sight this. Huh. Okay, we're going to start setting tile. We'll be a 1/4 inch off that. I got it butted at the same line, and we came off of this one right here to that line right there. Then we did a 6, 8, 10, 10 coming across here. So now that puts us right here. So here we have 12 and almost 5/8, and then here we've got 12 and a half. That's much better. Okay, so we're going to roll with that. Let's strike a line. Well, actually, I don't have to strike a line. We're just going to go with that new starter. And then we're going to be good to start. And we'll come back. Okay, so that worked out just great. So now they got it spaced. And this is the way I like to do it. I've seen some people put the crosses like in the intersection. And that's just a waste. It's really hard to get them out. But anyway, this is how you do it fast. Just buy extra spacers. But you can see how much that line was off right there. So now that we got a starter row, now everything should fly just fine. Okay, we're getting ready to run down this hall. So how do you run down there and get it straight? Well, I'm going to show you. You space the tile out like this. You got to remove the mud. Draw you a line. Come over here. Let's take that one up. Now, we've already done this one right here. The reason why I put a leg on there is to show that that's the one we want. Let's go ahead and chalk out a line. You're going to run that thing down the hall. I need you in the middle to press down on it. All right. All right. Now, you got to tell him left or right.
Right.
This side?
Right.
Okay. No, back.
Back.
Okay, hold it right there. Now gently pick it up in the middle so we can avoid pebbles. Does it still land?
Yep.
Do it again. Okay, right there. Now put your finger on that. Pop this one. Now keep your finger there. No. Just keep your finger there. I'm going to let go. I'm going to let go. Push hard. Okay, we're going to push down in the middle. It's in the air because we've got a little tiny ramp here. All right, now this one, you can eyeball that bad boy right there. Pop yours. Get that one popped. You got it popped? Okay, we're good to go. That's going to give us a nice straight line. Alrighty. So I didn't show this, but this tile right here, it took them probably 20 minutes to do this. Now, when it's out in the open like this, it goes down really fast. Bathrooms, hallways, closets can be a little slower. Alrighty.